This is my new Ryobi cordless hedge trimmer. I just picked this up from Home Depot a little while ago for $100. I did already use it. Unfortunately, the video that I used or that I filmed, the angle wasn't very good, so it didn't capture what I was hoping it would, but it worked really well, very powerful, very easy to use, just like pretty much every Ryobi tool out there. This one has just a safety right here and a trigger right there, so it's very easy, very safe. It takes an 18 volt, so I just threw an 18 volt that I had on hand. Make sure you put some goggles on or sunglasses if you're going to use this thing, so if something flies, you don't, hit your eyes. Also, you can WD-40 this over time to keep it lubricated, but this is going to be a quick one. Again, $100 from Home Depot, Ryobi hedgeless trimmer. Great tool. I got through my job in probably 20 minutes, and it normally takes me over an hour, so very impressed. Another great tool from Ryobi.